St. Thomas DJ buzzing on the internet. A worker bee, but without much to show for his efforts. Until now.
Beez Hive! Beez Hive!
The bees is buzzing all over the place. New, brand new.
The internet feeling the buzz. A track made 6 years ago suddenly goes viral. The story starting in St. Thomas.
The West Parish then get their turn, so it has shift to the west and it come back straight to the east. So at St. Thomas time now, we check my Facebook page, I tell you from last year, so 2019 at St. Thomas time and it start right now. That's why I'm telling you, you got to come back, because from 2013 to 2014, I'm a thief with style and I make millions out of it and then I agree. So when Beez Hive break now, it's good for we as artists, because I laugh, because they can't even no more with style.
You know E.G. Georgie, the girl them going crazy for me. Beez Hive! Beez Hive! Hey!
Not even his 2017 appearance on Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall attracting much attention. It took a fresh instrumental and a leg up from popular vlogger World Dog / Facebook hero to ignite the internet. Numerous reposts later, Beez Hive honey to a dancehall scene hungry for anything fresh and fun. And a big break for Duckenfield DJ also called Yes, Beez Hive. Here doing the Yes Again, Beezy dance.
The girl them going crazy for me. Beez Hive! Beez Hive!
Puts you in mind of another Magnum find, Tanto Blacks.
Rich.
And like Tanto, makes you laugh.
Well, what's that, girl? You not see how the bees run here, sir. Live.
Real name Morcian Bennett.
When you're serious, me can't make you smile. I just feel like get tough. Make you laugh.
At 31, not exactly a dancehall spring chicken, but happy for this crack at national recognition. Bennett, a small-time entertainer in his home parish, St. Thomas, otherwise getting by doing odd jobs.
You know the reason I'm named Beez Hive, you know? You know, say I'm charging me a link. I'm a chat for Neil. And by I'm reaching night tree, the crown and hive jumping on my skull, on my brain. I saw all my body sting up. I'm just around and I say zzz. You see me find the answer, rich, bees, zzz. So I get the name, definitely. New. Kind of like, come and move on. We have the Beez Hive dance and them thing, entertainment, jovial, gimmickal wise. Me I say people love jovial thing, you see me? People like crime and violence. You see me I say people like nice life. You see me I say, because you DJ for one people, DJ for the world. Black and white, all different nations.
So your thing is a fun vibe, it's a dance vibe.
Yeah, man, that's
You're not into the rough stuff?
No, I don't do rough stuff. What song is not my type. I do bad songs, yes, but I'm an entertainer. Anywhere I step, any corner, anywhere, it is right. People laugh, because I have a different spirit. I'm one of a kind. My thing them catching, they're not hard to listen to. As me I say, they're on the dancing, like, as me I say, there's some song and it's hard, I tell you what I'm going on in the road right now. And most of the artists, them now get the hit song and stay along there again. Boom, I know. Them now DJ and dance to the people, them people feed over. Them a dance and stay straight up. You have to stay straight, you know, but you have to dance to the people and jovial and move yourself and entertain people and gravitate them to you and make them feel great and say, you can't just stay, no go sir, I energy on the world.
Beez Hive!
So you grew up in St. Thomas?
Yes.
So what's the vibe in St. Thomas? Is there a lot of work? Are people busy in St. Thomas? Or
No.
things are slow in St. Thomas?
Yeah man, things slow in St. Thomas. I used to go viral outside now. All over this world.
So why are things so slow in St. Thomas?
Yes, definitely things slow in St. Thomas. Because I don't know, you want more business place in St. Thomas, most definitely. You see me I say? Because I have talent in that place and you them full of opportunity, you see it? You them want some more skill.
6 years ago you did the song, but nothing happened.
Nothing, yeah.
Why did nothing happen though?
Yeah, in them time, when I start out, you know, people that motivate you somewhat and everybody enhance it and I get listening and hearing. I think it start all, you know, Facebook, you call them Red Dog, start enhance on it. You see me I say? Everybody start gravitate to it. Because when a man overseas start doing things differently, you all start to do things differently. Because it's viral.
But before it went viral, how are you making ends meet?
Ends meet normally, I was DJing and put up more videos. Keep on doing my work, one day, better must come one day. Farming peppers and scallion, onion, pumpkin, Irish. We bring it to Porty and we bring it fast cash in the fast life world. It's the most definitely export them to a bigger country. Yeah man, on the farm, come to farming too, you know. I do music too, you know, I do construction work, you know.
Beez Hive!
You know what I say?
More people want to be DJs than farmers.
Right now. Yeah, definitely.
But they don't have the talent though.
You do have the talent. You see me, you know, most definitely still. I'm born with talent like this, you know. Because you see Beez Hive, you know, I'm born to do this. Right now, new. Hey, you know E.G. Chargy, the girl them going crazy for me.
So the money is making now. You're getting some
Really,
cash.
you know, you creep before you walk, you know. People not stop conversation. Because right now, I'm out of bookings right now. You see me as a dub plate every day, come like, as I wait me ears, you know me ears. You don't know about life now. We make dub plate money like every day. From the studio to the Western Union, right now.
So hold on, you have to take care of the crew?
Yeah, I'm more definitely because you see, we don't know if I make $10, I have to get $5.
So the crew is expensive, or you're making enough?
Yes, the youth are still, them alright still, some lavitude, them the millionaire, but they're too robust, see, that's it. The humble youth, they know how to live, you know. They don't rush things, you know, so patient, humble kid, they will compose, you look at them. Brother.
Hey, you know it's G-Chargy, the girl them going crazy for me.
Look at me. Money.
Yeah.
Look at those people. Money. I'm money right now. It's the bees now. I'm the girl them money, come girl pitch for me, man. I'm running from country, from overseas. And the girl them time you have a shine for them. Rich. Christ with G-Chargy. How did you do it? I did it so it's Risen fresh.
The girl them like me, she love how me lively.
You see that break I say look great, you know? Hey, see race is not for the sweet, but who can endure now? You see them thing, you see greatness are going for you a long time. Make great use of it. Don't waste it.
Especially when you're 31.
Okay.
Beez Hive.
Hey, me ever hear about this in a real life, you know? It's in a real life, not for the right time now. That's the right time now, you know? See me I say? Everybody get for them time now. That's my time now, you know. I have to make use of my time now. And don't turn a fool with my time.
So you're going to do a Beez Hive remix?
Yeah, remix here, because Nicki Minaj want to remix, you know. She want to bust it with the Beez Hive. You see, because she love this song, you know. You know, hear it? Yeah, man, it's going viral, man. The thing loud, man.
Beez Hive.